Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Indian Civil Affairs. Today we are going to discuss E-Drishti Ghatna Chakra yearly. Here we will discuss 1 year's current affairs for the UPSC, UPPCS, ROARO, BPSC and other state examination. Let us begin the topic. When was the Kali Fund launched? CALI Kali Fund. That is 24 Feb 2025 at the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity CBD COP26 COP16 not 26 COP16 at the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity CBD Conference of Party 16. What is the Kali Fund? A fund to promote biodiversity financing. Where is the war memorial for Indian soldiers martyred in the World War located? February 2025. New Chapel, France. New Chapel, France. New Chapel, France. Who laid the wreath at the New Chapel World War I Memorial in France? Who laid a wreath at the New Chapel World War I Memorial in France? General Upendra Dwivedi. He is Army General Upendra Dwivedi. Who assumed the chairmanship of the Bay of Bengal BOB Intergovernmental Organization at the 13th Governing Council 21st Feb 2025 India. India assumed the chairmanship of the Bay of Bengal Intergovernmental Organization at the 13th Government or Governing Council. Which organization released the Internet Shutdown Report 2024, 23rd Feb 2025, Advocacy Organization Access Now. Advocacy Organization, name is Access Now. What is India's rank among democratic countries in terms of the Internet shutdown cases? Ranked second. Where was the Tri-Nation Buddhist Motorcycle Expedition launched? 16 Feb 2025 in Lumbini, Nepal. Which countries are involved in the historic initiative? India, Nepal and Sri Lanka. Which global organization has banned waste to energy product in Gujarat? Which global organization has banned waste to energy production in Gujarat? 25th February 2025. The World Bank. The World Bank is the global organization has banned waste to energy production in Gujarat. In which country has India been elected as the Vice President of the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities IALA? 19 Feb 2025 Singapore. Singapore is the country that has India been selected or elected as the Vice President of the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities ILA. 19 Feb 2025. Which new bad coronavirus has been recently discovered in China? New coronavirus, new COVID. Feb 2025. HKU5 CoV2. HKU5 CoV2 is the new bad coronavirus has been recently discovered in China. The recently discussed Punch mission, PUNCH, Punch mission is an initiative of which space organization? Feb 2025, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. What will NASA's Punch mission study? The sun's atmosphere, corona. What is the full name of the Punch mission? Polarimetry to unify the corona and heliosphere. Polarimetry to unify the corona and heliosphere, that is Punch. Which country developed the world's largest 10-ton propellant mixer for solid rocket motors? India. Feb 2025. India launched or developed the world's largest 10-ton propellant mixer for solid rocket motors. What is the name of Microsoft's first quantum computing chip launched? Feb 19, 2025. Mojorana 1. Majorana 1. What is the name of the Microsoft first quantum computing chip launched? Majorana or Majorna 1. Which state in India was the first to launch the NPROUD Proud program for the disposal of the expired medicine? Kerala, Feb 2025, 22nd Feb 2025. Kerala is the state in India that firstly launched the NPROUD program for the disposal of expired medicine. What is the full name of the NPROUD initiative? NPROUD means New Program for Removal of Unused Drugs. What is the name of the new AI powered platform launched by Zomato Feb 2025, that is Nugget or Nugget? Nugget or Nugget? After which country did India become the second nation to launch EPL electronic pilot license in the civil aviation sector? Feb 2025, China. China is the first, India becomes second nation to launch EPL electronic pilot license in the civil aviation sector. Which mission was recently announced by NASA related to the study of the exoplanets? That is Pandora mission. Feb 2025. Pandora mission was launched by NASA that is related to the study of exoplanet. How many exoplanet atmospheres will be analyzed under this mission? 20 exoplanets. When is the Pandora mission scheduled to be launched? By the end of 2025. Which institution launched the India Cancer Genome Atlas? Feb 3rd, 2025. Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IIT Madras. Which new naval anti-ship missile NASM-SR was successfully tested for the first time? Feb 25, 2025. Naval anti-ship missile NASM-SR. Which warship commissioning preparation did the Indian Navy crew recently travel to St. Petersburg, Russia for? INS Tamal, Feb 2025. INS Tamal is the warship commissioned or commissioning is prepared by the Indian Navy crew recently traveled to St. Petersburg, Russia for that. Where was the conference on women peacekeeper from the Global South held? New Delhi, Feb 24-25, 2025. Which country has developed the Gravehawk missile system? Gravehawk missile system. United Kingdom developed the Gravehawk missile system, Feb 2025. What type of missile system is Gravehawk? A short-range surface-to-air missile system. Where was the Southwestern Air Command SWAC Commanders Conference held? Gandhinagar, Feb 5-7, 2025. That is Southwestern Air Command Commanders Conference at Gandhinagar. What is the total number of Ramsar sites in India now? 91. What is India's rank in terms of number of Ramsar sites globally? Third. Which country ranked first and second in the world for the number of Ramsar sites? First is United Kingdom, 175 sites. Second is Mexico, 142 sites. Table Tennis Asia Cup 2025 took place in which city? 19 to 23rd Feb 2025. Shenzhen, China. Who won the men's singles? Wang Chuiqin, China. Wang Chuiqin won the men's single in Table Tennis Asian Cup 2025. Who has issued guidelines for the prevention of misleading advertisement in the coaching sector? 13 November 2025. Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA. Which state's villages were reorganized by UNESCO as the Tsunami Ready? 11 November 2024. Odisha is the state. Which state's village were recognized? Odisha state's village were recognized by UNESCO as Tsunami Ready. First Bodoland Mahotsav was organized at which place? New Delhi, 15 to 16 November 2024. Where was the International Conference on Communication and Dissemination of Traditional Knowledge CDTK 2024 organized 13 to 14 November 2024 Gurugram University, Gurugram. International Conference on Communication and Dissemination of Traditional Knowledge CDTK 2024 13 to 14 November 2024 Gurugram University, Gurugram. Which state decided to provide 35% reservation for women in government sector or services? 5 November 2024 Madhya Pradesh. Which are the top 3 defense export destinations for India? October 28, 2024 USA, France and Armenia. Where was the Tata Aircraft Complex inaugurated? Where was the Tata Aircraft Complex inaugurated? October 28, 2024 Vadodara, Gujarat. Tata Aircraft Complex inaugurated Vadodara, Gujarat. Where was the 17th India Urban Mobility UMI Conference and Exhibition 2024 held? October 25 to 27, 2024 Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Gandhinagar, Gujarat is the location or the region where 17th India Urban Mobility UMI Conference and Exhibition 2024 held. October 25 to 27, 2024. Which city won the Best Public Transport System Award at the UMI, that is Urban Mobility, India's Urban Mobility 2024 Conference, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who launched the digital memorial of Valor platform in honor of fallen heroes? October 25, 2024 Railway Protection Force RPF. RPF launched the digital memorial of Valor's platform in honor of the fallen heroes. Which state declared the zero casualty mission a success? October 25, 2024 Odisha. Which ministry runs the Samarth scheme, a demand-driven and employment-oriented skill program? October 16, 2024 Ministry of Textile. Which minister announced the establishment of the 3 Artificial Intelligence Excellence Center? October 15, 2024 Dharmendra Pradhan, Union Minister of Education. Where was the new statue of Lady Justice installed and unveiled? October 17, 2024 Supreme Court of India. What is the main aim of replacing the sword with the constitution in the Lady Justice statue? To break away from colonial traditions. Where was the India-Turkey Friendship Association inaugurated to strengthen relations? October 16, 2024 Hyderabad. Which party won the Haryana Assembly election 2024 for the 3rd consecutive time? Bharatiya Janata Party. October 8, 2024. Who was elected as the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? Umar Abdullah, National Conference. Which language were granted classical language status by the Government of India? October 3, 2034 Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese and Bengali. Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese and Bengali. Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese and Bengali. Pali, Prakrit are the languages of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, MP. These are the reason. Marathi, Maharashtra. Assamese, Assam. Bengali, Bengal. Which state declared Desi cow as the state mother? September 30, 2024 Maharashtra. Desi cow as a state mother, Maharashtra. Which state recorded the highest number of atrocities cases on the list as per government report? September 2024 Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. 4th Global Bio India 2024 was organized at which place? 12 to 14 September 2024 Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. 4th Global Bio India 2024 was organized at which place? 12 to 14 September 2024 Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Which island's capital in India have been renamed recently? 13 September 2024 Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Who has approved the Constitution of the 23rd Law Commission of India? 2nd September 2024 President of India Draupadi Murmu. Who took oath as new Chief Minister of Union Territory of Delhi? 21st September 2024 Atishi Marlena of AAP. The Union Minister Amit Shah launched White Revolution 2.0 along with Margdarshika for 2 lakh new MPECs, dairy and fishery cooperatives. 19 September 2024. The Union Minister Amit Shah launched White Revolution 2.0 along with the Margdarshika for 2 lakh new MPACS dairy and fishery cooperatives 19 September 2024, which state has approved 33% quota for women in the state police force. September 2024 Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the state where 33% quota for women in the state police force is approved. Which state government has raised minimum marriageable age for women from 18 to 21 years? 27 August 2024 Himachal Pradesh. Who has taken oath of the 14th Chief Minister of Jharkhand recently? Hemant Soren. Which union territory has become the first administrative unit to achieve full functional literacy under the Ullas Nav Bharat Saksharta Karyakram? 24 June 2024 Ladakh. Ladakh is the union territory. UT has become the first administrative unit to achieve full functional literacy under the Ullas Nav Bharat Saksharta Karyakram. 24 June 2024. The Post Office Act 2023 has come into effect from which date? 18 June 2024. The Post Office Act 2023 has come into effect. Who has been elected as the Speaker of 18 Lok Sabha? Om Birla. 26 June 2024. Who has been appointed as the Director of the National Judicial Academy NGAC Bhopal? 10th April 2024. Justice Anuradha Bose, retired Justice of Supreme Court of India. She was elected or appointed as the Director of the National Judicial Academy NGAC Bhopal. Justice Anuradha Bose. Aniruddha Bose, not Anuradha. Justice Aniruddha Bose. Justice Aniruddha Bose. Aniruddha Bose. ECI has announced that March 2024 voters above 85 years of age and PWDs with 40% benchmark disability can vote from home. Which ministry has notified the PIB's fact check unit FCUs? 20th March 2024, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Who was sworn in the new Chief Minister of Haryana? Who was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Haryana? Nayab Singh Saini. Nayab Singh Saini, March 12, 2024. Kei Pannur became the 26th district of which state? 1st March 2024 Arunachal Pradesh. That is Kei Pannur, new district of Arunachal Pradesh, 26th district of the Arunachal Pradesh. Central government has recently modified which regulation? 21st Feb 2024 Surrogacy Regulation Rules 2022. Which electoral financing mechanism was struck down by Supreme Court? 15 Feb 2024 Electoral Bond Scheme of Central Government. President Draupadi Murmu granted her assent to which bill recently? 12 Feb 2024 The Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Bill 2024. Which bill was passed by Lok Sabha to amend the Constitution? Jammu and Kashmir Scheduled Tribes Order 1989 Feb 6 2024. The Constitution Jammu and Kashmir Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2023. The Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2024 was passed by Rajya Sabha in respect to which state? 6 Feb 2024 Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. The Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2024 was passed by Rajya Sabha in respect to which state? Andhra Pradesh. 6 Feb 2024. The Constitution Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2024 was passed by Rajya Sabha in respect of the which state? Rajya Sabha. Passed by Rajya Sabha in respect of the which state? 6 Feb 2024. That is Odisha. Odisha is the state where the Constitution Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill 2024 was passed by Rajya Sabha. In the tussle to gain control of the Nationalist Congress Party NCP, which faction was accepted by Election Commission of India as official faction? 6 Feb 2024 Ajit Pawar faction. Which state has become the first state in the country to pass a bill for applying Uniform Civil Code UCC in the state? 7 Feb 2024, Uttarakhand. Which state implemented the odd even scheme for the traffic solution? 5th November 2024, Sikkim. Sikkim is the state for odd even traffic solution scheme. Which campaign was launched by Niti Aayog to promote water conservation? 6 to 20 November 2024, Jal Utsav. According to the UNESCO report, compared to which countries does India spend more on education? 24 October 2024, China and Japan. In the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, how many aspirational districts were targeted? October 15, 2024, 27. PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, 27 districts were targeted. Until when the Government of India approved the continuation of the free fortified rice distribution? 9 October 2024, December 2028. Till December 2028, Government of India approved the continuation of free fortified rice distribution, that is the PDS system, public distribution system, under this PDS system. Which state launched Subhadra scheme for women? September 17, 2025, Odisha launched the Subhadra scheme for women. Which scheme was approved for building houses for urban poor and middle classes? 9th August 2024, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, PMAYU 2.0, PMAYU 2.0. The Union Cabinet approved the continuation of which scheme recently? 18 September 2024. 18 September 2024. The Pradhan Mantri Annadata Aay Sanrakshan Abhiyan PM Asha scheme. Union Cabinet approved the continuation of the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Annadata Aay Sanrakshan Abhiyan PM Asha scheme. 18 September 2024. Which government department has announced to launch the groundbreaking digital platform aimed at strengthening India's startup ecosystem? September 2024. The Department of Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade, DPIIT, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Who has approved the mission Mausam? 11 September 2024. The Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister of India inaugurated the Semicon India 2024 at India Expo Mart in which city? Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, 11 September 2024. Who launched the Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari? Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, 6 September 2024. Who launched the AgriSure scheme in New Delhi? September 3, 2024. AgriSure scheme launched by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Which ministry has recently launched Project Pari, PARI Pari? July 2024. Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Project Pari is launched by Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Which state government has launched the Lokpath mobile app? Madhya Pradesh state government launched the Lokpath mobile app 2nd July 2024. National Mission on Cultural Mapping, NMCM is a scheme administered by which ministry? Ministry of Culture, July 2024. Which state has become best state in the Prime Minister Swanidhi scheme? Best performing state, loan performance and innovation and best practices in large state category, 18 July 2024, Madhya Pradesh. Which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Bahin scheme? June 2024, Maharashtra government. Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Bahin scheme, June 2024, Maharashtra government. National Forensic Infrastructure Enhancement Scheme, NFIES. National Forensic Infrastructure Enhancement Scheme, NFIES. Is the scheme of which ministry? Ministry of Home Affairs. Ministry of Home Affairs. Home Ministry, 19 June 2024. National Crime Record Bureau, NCRB, has launched which app to provide information about new criminal laws? June 2024. NCRB Sankalan of crime laws. NCRB Sankalan of crime laws. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina? Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina NMNM scheme, Assam government, June 2024. Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina, Assam government. What is the mission Ishan? Mission Ishan, India's push for one nation, one airspace, April 2024. Project for unifying India's 4 airspace regions into one spanning the entire nation. Project for unifying India's 4 airspace regions into one spanning the entire nation. That is Mission Ishan, April 2024, for one nation, one airspace. PB Shabd, PBSHABD. A new sharing service was recently launched by which agency? Prasar Bharati, 13 March 2024. Prasar Bharati launched the PB Shabd, a new sharing service. Indira Gandhi Pyari Behna Sukh Samman Nidhi Yojana launched by Himachal Pradesh, Feb 2024. Which organization has successfully commissioned India's largest battery energy storage system, BESS, BESS, which stores energy using solar energy, 24 Feb 2024. The Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited, SECI, SECI. Death penalty in India annual statistics report 2023 was released by which organization? Feb 2024. Project 39A, a criminal justice program linked with the National Law University, Delhi. Project 39A, a criminal justice program linked with the National Law University, Delhi. Death penalty in India annual statistics report 2023 is released by Project 39A, a criminal justice program linked with a National Law University, Delhi. That is a Project 39A at Feb 2024. प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य किसान समृद्धि सह योजना PMMKSSY is a central sector sub scheme for which scheme or of which scheme? प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना, Feb 2024. प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य किसान समृद्धि सह योजना PMMKSSY is a central sector sub scheme of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, Feb 2024. Which state has recently launched Operation Amrit, antimicrobial resistance intervention for total health, January 2024? Kerala is the state. The Kerala Drug Control Department. Kerala and the Kerala Drug Control Department recently launched Operation Amrit, that is antimicrobial resistance intervention for total health, January 2024. Thank you very much.